What's up everyone, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice math algebra problem that says x plus 7 multiply x plus 8 multiply x plus 9 multiply x plus 10 divide x minus 7 multiply x minus 8 multiply x minus 9 and multiply x minus 10, and all of this is equal to 1. We are to solve for the value of x. Alright, so the first thing guys you want to simply note is that 7 plus 10 is equals to 8 plus 9. When you have 7 plus 10, you have 17, and 8 plus 9, you're also going to have 17. So right here, we're going to rearrange this using this format. Hence, we have this to be x plus 7 multiply x plus 10. Then we have x plus 8 multiply x plus 9. And this is equal to 1. Divide. Same thing for the denominator. We have x minus 7 multiply x minus 10 multiply x minus 8 and multiply x minus 9, and all of this is equal to 1. So right here we want to simply expand each of this. We're going to expand this and this and expand this and this. Also we're going to expand this too and expand this too right here. Alright, so from here we have this to be x multiply x is x squared. X multiply 10, we're going to have plus 10x. 7 multiply x, we have plus 7x. And plus 7 multiply plus 10, we're going to have 70. So we have expand the first two. So the second two right here, x multiply x, x. So simplifying this, we have this to be x squared plus 10x plus 7x. We have this to be plus 17x plus 70 multiply x squared plus 8x plus 18x will give us plus 17x plus 72. Divide. For the denominator, we have x squared minus 10x minus 7x will give us minus 17x plus 70 multiply x squared minus 9x minus 8x will give us minus 17x plus 72, and this is equal to 1. Alright, so at this point, we want to simply expand 72. Now, 72 is the same thing as 70 plus 2, right? So putting this, we have this to be x squared plus 17x plus 70 multiply x squared plus 17x plus, instead of 72, we're going to write 70 plus 2. Divide. Same thing for the denominator. We have x squared minus 17x plus 70 multiply x squared minus 17x, right? We are going to make this to be plus 70 plus 2, and this is equals to 1. So at this point, we want to say, suppose that x squared plus 17x plus 70 is equals to a, and x squared minus 17x plus 70 is equals to b. Then we have the equation to be a into a plus 2 divide b into b plus 2, and this is equals to 1. Then at this point we want to simply cross multiply, so we have this to be a into a plus 2 is equals to b multiply b plus 2 right here. So expanding this, we have this to be a squared plus 2a is equals to b squared plus 2b. So rearrange this and set the equation to 0. We have this to be a squared plus 2a minus b squared minus 2b. This is equals to 0. So we have this to be a squared minus b squared plus 2a minus 2b. This is equals to 0. So we have a squared minus b squared plus, now if we factor out 2 from here, we have this to be a minus b, and this is equals to 0. But a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. So hence we have this to be a plus b multiply a minus b plus 2 into a minus b. So this is equals to 0. So at this point, we want to simply factor out the common term, and looking at this expression, we have a minus b to be the common term. So if we factor out a minus b, we're going to have a plus b plus 2, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have a minus b is equals to 0, and we have a plus b plus 2, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that a is equals to 0 plus b, and a is equals to b. But want to simply recall, at the beginning we said that suppose a is equals to this and b is equals to this, x squared plus 17x plus 70 is equals to a, and x squared minus 17x plus 70 is equals to b. So putting this into this equation, say for a equals to b, we have that x squared plus 17x plus 70 is equals to x squared minus 17x plus 70. So at this point, x squared is going to cancel out x squared and plus 70 is going to cancel out plus 70. So we have 17x is equals to minus 17x. So rearrange and set to 0. We have this to be 17x plus 17x is equals to 0. So from here we have 17x plus 17x will give us 34x, and this is equals to 0. So divide both sides by 34. This is going to cancel out this, so we have that x is equals to 0, and we right here we have the first value for x. So right here we want to simply solve this right here that says a plus b plus 2 is equals to 0. So we're going to say for a plus b plus 2 equals to 0, we know that a is equals to x squared plus 17x plus 70, and b is equals to x squared minus 17x plus 70. So putting this into this equation, we have this to be x squared plus 17x plus 70 plus x squared minus 17x plus 70 plus 2 is equals to 0. So rearranging this, we have x squared plus x squared plus 17x minus 17x plus 70 plus 70 plus 2 is equals to 0. Alright, x squared plus x squared will give us 2x squared plus 17x minus 17x. This is going to cancel out this. 70 plus 70 plus 2 will give us plus 142, and this is equals to 0. So from here, we want to simply factor out 2. So if you factor out 2, we have this to be 2 into x squared plus factor out 2 from 142, we are going to have 71, and this is equals to 0. So divide both sides by 2. This is going to cancel out this, and we have this to be x squared plus 71 is equals to 0. So from here, we have that x squared is equals to 0 minus 71, and x squared is equals to minus 71. But if x squared is equals to a, then we have that x is equals to plus minus the square root of a. So from here, x is equals to plus minus the square root of minus 71. X is equals to plus minus the square root of 71 multiply minus 1. But we know that if we have the root of a multiply b, this is equals to the root of a multiply the root of b. So applying this, we have that x is equals to plus minus the square root of 71 multiply the root of negative 1, but the root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we have that x is equals to plus minus the square root of 71 I. Hence, we have all the values of x to be. So the values of x are, so the first value of x is equals to, so if we go back right here, we have that x is equals to 0. So that is the first value of x. So x is equals to 0. X is equals to plus the root of 71i, and x is equals to minus the square root of 71i, and these are the values of x. So guys, we have been able to solve this question right here, and we have been able to find the values of x. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do well to get subscribed and give this video a thumbs up.